Nothing much ever happens on these subways, but you can never be too sure. The tactical situation on these trains is not in our favor. Today is a high alert status. Keep your eyes open.
Hello. I'm thinking. Please leave me be.
Can't you see I'm busy?
Hi.
Your presence here is quite distressing.
Flashbang!
Don't try anything stupid, friend.
No! Don't shoot!
Come with me, young lady.
Let me go! Stay away from my
Take
sister!
care of that government swine!
Yes, sir.
Next stop, Shinkani Station.
Medic, take care of his wounds. There were quite a few survivors in this station, thanks to you. We need to clean up the wounded and defuse these primary explosives.
You'll need these if you're going after the people responsible for this.
Get moving!
Watch out!
What's going on? This guy is alive!
I've got one!
I'm staying behind to take care of him. Go on without me. Don't do it!
Money!
Help!
Officer,
I'm staying behind to take care of him. Go on without me.
did you hear all those gunshots? Everybody down! Everybody down!
He can't help you now.
Attention please. G1 is arriving on track 2.
Thanks for the cover. A few of them escaped with the female hostage. I can get that gate open for you.
Tickets are available at ticket counters and automated kiosks. Attention please. G1 is arriving on track 2.
Go see that hostage.
Restrooms are located at the north and south station entrances. Please put order in its place. Attention please. G1 is arriving on track 2. Tickets are available at ticket counters and automated kiosks. Restrooms are located at the north and south station entrances. Please put order in its place. Available at ticket counters and automated kiosks. Please put order in its place.
それ以上近づくと女の命はない。
Officer?
Good work. Cleanup crews are on the way.